In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to choose display section, scroll all the way down and tap on easy mode. After that, scroll down again and tap on this gray switcher next to easy mode in order to activate it. Now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on home button. As you can see, easy mode is now on, but you can always turn it off by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!